Russell.
Yummy, delicious.
Goodness.
Russell likes to eat. He likes the skin, Hailey. Very good. Not only the skin, he likes also the flesh. Very good, Raza. Wow, you're very hungry, huh? Noi? Hailey's feeding Russell, and Russell loves figs.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is 31st of August 2023. It is the last day of August, guys, and we are enjoying the weather these days, guys, because it's not that so hot, cold. It is just perfect. Okay guys, so we have lots of figs because figs are now in season, and I want to take advantage of these beautiful figs and delicious. They are big and it's not that so sweet, just enough sweet, guys. So I want to preserve those guys as gems. I made the other day already, but I didn't show you the process how I did it. And today I am going to make another batch of this bowl. Yes, because I think I don't have enough pectin, because this time I want to use pectin. Today is Thursday and it is farmers market day today in our town. Hailey and I went this morning and we bought some seedlings, different kinds of seedlings, guys, like different types, 3 types of lettuces, beets, celeries, cabbage, leeks, what else, some garlics, guys, because I want to plant garlics as well. And I have 1 sack of potatoes here, and that potatoes my husband bought the other day to the store. And I am thinking to use some of those potatoes, guys, to plant. Yeah, I'm not sure if it is going to give us fruit or not, but I want to try that store-bought potatoes. Yeah, because I like the texture of that potato, guys. It is soft and it's not soggy. When it is cooked, it is, you know, still intact and very soft. So that's what I really like. And I try to cook Spanish omelette, which is potato with eggs, guys. Oh my goodness, it was so good, guys. Yeah, we really enjoyed it. And yeah, that's my plan. I am going to plant some of those potatoes because I want to have potatoes at home. I want to have homegrown potatoes, guys. And I also bought 5 kilos of this yellow peach, guys, which is very nice for preserving, and you can just cut into half, and with the sugar syrup, guys, I mean water and sugar syrup, and then you can keep it for long term use, or when peaches, yes darling, when peaches are over. Oh my goodness, what is this girl doing, huh? Huh? What are you doing? Yoga? Exercising. Very good, Lakota. Yes, guys, so that is what I'm...
These are seed, and I like these.
Uh-huh, you want... Yeah?
I like these.
Careful, okay? Careful, don't make experiments. Alright, guys, and yeah, I bought 5 kilos of these yellow peaches. I will show you. Alright, guys, so these are the peaches that I am telling you. I love, not only me, but we love this peach, guys. You can just peel it and then put in just water, I mean raw pack, guys, but with syrup, sugar, and of course water, and then just water bath it, and it is really good. And we can use this, we can consume these beautiful peaches when peaches season is over. And these are the seedlings that I told you. Yes, these are leeks, celeries. I didn't harvest any celery this year, guys. I let it, I don't know what I did. And cabbages and other types of lettuces. And also these are the green apples. We love these golden apples, guys. We love this so much. Yeah, yes. And I am planning to make a compote, but I only have maybe 10. No, not 10. I only have 6-7 pieces. Oh my goodness. And that green cauliflower. Oh my goodness, I forgot to buy broccoli, Haley. Because you know what, guys, the man the man was talking to another woman while he was serving me. That is why I couldn't tell him right away what seedlings I want, and then I forgot. Yes, so maybe next week I will buy cauliflower and broccolis because we'll love those vegetables. Yes, guys, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I will cut this part, and at the end, yes, this at the end, and then cut into half and check if there is a fruit bug or like a very small worm inside, and we have to throw that away. That's why it is very important to cut into half and check if there is this cold worm. Yes, guys, so yeah, maybe I'm not going to show you everything because I already have, guys, the video how to make figs, guys. I will link it, guys, the video, if you want to watch. But that video I didn't use any pectin. Yeah, and this time I used pectin, and we are loving it, guys. We finished 250 ml bottles already for maybe 3 days. Yes, and it was so good. So we have to wash this one, guys. Alright guys, so I just finished washing for the second time. Yummy, delicious. Alright guys, so I just finished. So as you can see that this pot is quite big and it's almost full. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I have to add in 3 cups of sugar.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So we are going to use this later. As you can see that the consistency is so nice guys, and the taste is so delicious as well. Can you see? So it's not runny, right? So you can really see that the pectin is there. Alright guys, it's warm already because the bottles are hot guys, so they must have the same temperature. Yeah, so the bottles or jars won't crack. Alright, so let's do this. When it starts to boil, as in rolling boil guys, then we will start the timer and put the timer to 15 minutes. I put a little bit of homemade vinegar, guys, the plum vinegar that I made, and look at the bottles. They are gorgeous. They are so shiny.